Hey, Will Healy here. I work with a lot of customers doing automotive welding, structural welding, tier suppliers to the automotive industry doing robotic welding, and we spend a lot of time talking about inductive proximity sensor failure, thousands and thousands of proxies being replaced and repaired, or installations being repaired every day. Some places have one installation where they're losing a sensor every shift. And so you're talking about three sensors a day, you're talking about 21 sensors a week, you're talking 1,100 sensors a year in one installation. And there could be thousands of sensor installations in an automotive structural assembly line. And so this can be really cost prohibitive and really eat into profits. And so there are really three things that we talk about when we talk about how to make this better. And that's really with the sensor that you're looking at, is it the right form factor? Should you be using something with a coating, or should you be using something with a coating on the body or a different coating on the face? Because it can fail from weld spatter hitting the sensor. Or maybe you need loading impact protection, so maybe like a steel face sensor. So thinking about the sensor itself, what are we picking? There's lots of different form factors and housings. What are we picking that we pick the right one? And then how do we protect the sensor? Maybe we need to put it in a protective block from loading impact, or maybe it's weld spatter and loading impact. So you need to protect it better so that the sensor can survive and actually detect the component loaded. And then last but not least, we have to think about the connectivity. How do we connect it to the control, and how does that cable survive? So we look at the housing of the sensor, bunkering and protecting the sensor, and then how do we connect it together? And that's really what we try to work towards when we work with someone on high volume of consumption in robotic welding and automotive tier suppliers. So reach out to me, leave your comments below, or don't forget to hit follow next to my name at the top.